Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today we will make a tangy sweet side dish Khatti Meethi sweet potato, or you can say sweet potato pickle. First take the sweet potatoes and wash them thoroughly in water. In a pan, add the washed sweet potatoes and enough water to cover them. Boil the sweet potatoes until they are soft. Once done, turn off the heat and let them cool. Peel the cooled sweet potatoes and cut them into pieces. Take the soaked tamarind and mash it with your hands to extract the pulp. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds and fennel seeds. Allow them to splutter. Add the dry red chilies, chopped garlic and curry leaves, fresh or dry, to the pan. Saute until the garlic becomes golden and fragrant. Add the prepared tamarind water to the pan. Pour in a little extra water to adjust the consistency. Add turmeric powder, chili powder and salt. Mix well to combine the spices. Gently add the boiled and chopped sweet potato pieces into the pan. Cook on medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sweet potatoes absorb the flavors of the sauce. Turn off the heat. Your tangy and sweet khatti meethi sweet potatoes are ready to serve. Enjoy this mouth-watering side dish with your meal. Ingredient list is in description. Try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.